Equip really knows what they're doing when it comes to supplements. This Prime protein powder is amazing. The ingredients are so clean. I'm very hesitant about what kind of supplements I recommend, and I absolutely love the way that this was constructed. This is the vanilla flavor, so if you like vanilla, this is a great option for you. This is grass-fed beef isolate powder. It comes with a scoop, and in each scoop, you are getting the benefits of 4 ounces of grass-fed beef. It is free of gluten, dairy, whey, soy, antibiotics, hormones, fillers, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives. That is amazing. I have had so many protein powders over the years, and some of them claim to be clean, and then when you read the back of it or you read the ingredients, you're like, no, that is not really what you advertised, but this is legit. They are so committed to clean ingredients. You're gonna get a healthy serving of collagen, and don't worry if it doesn't mix right away. It does take a little bit of effort to get it all mixed up. You can mix it with water, you can mix it with milk, you can put it in shakes, you can put it in smoothies, you can mix it with oatmeal. There's so many different options of how you can use this creatively, but it tastes like vanilla cake. Don't worry that it's gonna taste like hamburger. It does not. Don't be scared off by the fact that there's beef in it. This is such a great option if you are looking to increase your protein. I was gifted this, and I am so glad that this is in my arsenal of supplements.